All right, let's see what this question says. We're back at it. We're killing it. Find the sum of the first 12 terms of the series. So remember that we said now n is the number of terms. So here they say the first 12 terms. So in other words, they are telling us n is equal to 12. Okay, so they want the sum of 12 terms, and they've given us a sequence here right there. Once we see it, we're going to have to test. Is it an AP or GP? First, we always test AP. We say 9 minus 5 will get 4, 13 minus 9 will get 4, 17 minus 13 will get 4. So this is definitely an AP. Once you see that it's an AP, now you're going to say A is equal to 5 and D is going to be equal to 4. You want to always have these two. So it'll be 9, D will be 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. So now I have my A and I have my D, and I'm going to go below that and say, because I know that it is A and D, therefore it's definitely an arithmetic progression. And my sum, Sn, is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So here, your ability to remember this formula is going to be what we are going to be testing, because you have to know these formulas. Then now you're going to say, okay, they want the sum of the first 12 terms, so it's just going to be sum of 12 is equal to 12 over 2. Remember, n is the number of the terms, and it's going to multiply 2 by a, which is 2 by 5, plus n minus 1. Here we were getting for 12 terms, so it will be 11d, okay, which is going to be 11 by d, it is 4, 11 by 4. And here we're going to have S12 is going to be equal to 12 over 2 is 6, multiplying 2 times 5, 10, plus 11, 4 is 44. And here we're going to have the sum of the 12 terms is going to be equal to 6, multiplying 10 plus 44 is 54. So 10 by 54, and we have the sum of the 12 terms, which is going to be equal to 6 by 54. Remember, this is sum, so it's not going to be a small value, and you get an answer 324. Don't feel bad. We're summing, so we are adding things. We're adding all of them together, and this is going to be our solution. All right? Look at how easy it is. All right, so see you in the next one. Goodbye for now.